Hello, knowledge seekers. Welcome back to Knowledge Nuggets. We're excited to have you with us today for a new and enlightening journey. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is what keeps us going. Today, we're delving into the world of brown and white noise. You might be wondering, what are these noises? Let's find out together. Brown noise, named after botanist Robert Brown, is a deep, intense sound with a strong power spectrum, while white noise is a consistent sound that contains all frequencies, much like white light contains all colors. Those were samples of brown and white noise. Notice the difference. Brown noise is deeper, while white noise has a steady, static-like sound. Now, why are we talking about these noises? It's because of their amazing benefits. Both brown and white noise can enhance concentration and focus, making them perfect companions for studying or working. They also help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Moreover, both brown and white noise are excellent sleep aids. Their consistent sounds can mask disruptive noises, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. In our upcoming series, we'll be uploading videos featuring 100 brown and white noise. These videos are designed to help you harness the power of these noises, whether you're studying, working, meditating, or just trying to get a good night's sleep. We hope you enjoyed that sample of brown and white noise. We're excited to bring you more in our upcoming videos. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. How did you find the brown and white noise samples? Do you think they could help you in your daily life? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Also, do check out our video playlists for more amazing shorts and videos on life facts. Thank you for joining us today on Knowledge Nuggets. We're looking forward to exploring the world of brown and white noise with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.